That fish wants it so bad. Got him. I got him this time. He ain't going anywhere. Morning, guys. So today we have a trip to fish. Probably gonna go hit up a lake by my work. Go hit up this little spot because it is freaking fire. So just loading up the gear now. We're gonna wait for Armando. There we go.
We can go to your work?
We can go there.
Shut me down.
Well, looks like that's where we're going.
I know.
Finally here at my job with old Mondo right there.
Hi. What up, homies?
Hope we can catch the big one. We haven't fished the spot in a long time, so before we fish it, we catch a lot. So let's see how thirsty these fish are. Are you gonna catch anything, Mondo?
Yeah, I'm gonna catch a couple bass, hopefully a gar, and I wouldn't mind pulling out a catfish and some little panfish. My goal is to pull 4 species of fish out of here today. Let's see if I can make it happen.
And I need a sunfish for my tank, so we're gonna make that happen. All right, finally walking to the spot. Seems like there's a lot of brush on the edge. There's so much brush. Look at all that. That's all brush. And like right at the other end is a little creek, which there is tons of fish. Well, waiting on Mondo. All right, ain't trying to snip on those snakes over here. Yeah, I see a big gar right there. Dude, there's a big gar right here. I don't think I can get him. I don't think I can get him on a wacky rig though. He's in the grass. He's huge, dude. Might possibly need to throw a jig, something heavy, because this current just keeps taking my baits. I'll throw it along these banks. Maybe. One's just hiding underneath all that. You know, this creek looks a lot different with all the rain that's been passing through here. It's been reshaping this whole creek. Well, tried a couple spots and I've gotten a nibble on it, but he didn't take it. So we're gonna go back and work these spots again because I switched my bait. Put a different worm on there. I had a KVD Senko on there, baby bass. Now I'm throwing a June bug bio spawn worm. See? So let's see what happens here. One of our buddies met up with us. Fatso Fishing. Oh, look at our homie. Moses met up with us. Let's see what's up, Moses.
What up?
I like your hat.
Yeah, I just got it.
Let's get a close up on that. Look into my eyes. No, I'm just kidding. Kiss my bass. That's cool. That's pretty cool. It's like that that channel, Kicking Their Bass. It reminds me of them. All right, so wacky rigs weren't working, so let's switch to a crank bill because it never fails me. And this is from my Carl's Tackle Box. MTB Elite came with this one. Like how it has the blood belly on it. It's a beautiful crankbait. It's a craft. So got some good quality square bill, so let's see what happens. All right, First cast with the crankbait. Ooh, got one. There we go. First fish of the day. Yeah. Yeah. There we go, guys. Crankbait never fails. I mean honestly, right? When does a crankbait ever fail? He's so tiny. I guess that's better than being skunked, though.
Yeah, better than being skunked, and now you're not gonna be the weenie washer.
Yeah, because last one to catch a fish is a weenie washer.
Where'd you catch it with? Where's the next crankbait?
Lucky Craft.
You lost it?
Square bill knots there. As always, catch and release. I see 2 of them, just all right there. 3 of them actually. Oh, he missed it. He went for it, but he missed it. There's a big guy that hides in here. That's why I'm always targeting this spot. I haven't caught him. He always pops my line out, but today I got braids, so he ain't going anywhere. Got him. Oh, I had another one. Right when I said that. See what I did? I kind of angled it down. I tried to get it as close to this as I could, and that's why I got this last one. I know that's where they all hide. That fish wants it so bad. Got him. I got him this time. He ain't going anywhere. There we go. All right. Now we can move to another spot. Not like, oh, whoa. Calm down, guy. I know you're a little feisty right now. Okay. I got him a little too good here. Here we go. Nice, huh? It's a decent bass. For here, at least. That's for sure. He's a little fat guy. He's been eating all right. But let's release him. And as always, guys, like I always say, catch and release. I saw another guy right there, so give this other end another shot so we can catch something bigger. Maybe the fish have come out of their little hiding spots and ready to eat. I can only hope so. All right, I guess I've already wore out that square bill, so I'm going to put a jig on and let's see what we can catch with that, right? All right, this is what we're gonna use now. Throw a jig on with the Bandito Bug Blue. All right, this guy's got a gar. He's been letting me eat the bait. Let's see if it's on there. There he, oh, it came off. I saw him.
Fucking ate it right off.
Are they all around us? Oh, fuck. I hate bees, bro. There's so much there. I feel like I can do that one more time. Oh, got one. Oh, got one. Little, but he got him. Oh, he got off right there, man. Right there. Why does this keep happening? Maybe these trebles are too small? Definitely if it was a bigger fish, I mean, he wouldn't go anywhere because they'll swallow this whole thing and all that weight and just set them hooks in. But when they're little like that, it's got no weight, so it's like, it's kind of hard to keep them on here. Last cast is like a woman getting ready with her makeup. Takes forever. There he is. Again! Can you believe it? Again, that's 3 fish. God. Tighten my drag. Oh my gosh. What is going on here? Come on. Oh, what happened there? I don't know. Let's work it. No way. Another one. A freaking another one, dude. That's a 3rd one lost. What is going on? Today's not the day, huh? I'm gonna get him. He just keeps hitting it, but he keeps not getting hooked. I've already lost like 3 fish. Why? I don't know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on, but we're gonna try to put him in the pot. We're gonna get him. What is up? Well, we're gonna go to another spot because this spot, none of the fish are biting anymore, sadly. But next spot, maybe we can change the game and we can rip some lips. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be there in like 1 second. All right, guys, we're here at the new spot. Gotta walk through the woods up first, so I'm gonna catch some diggings here. There's some good fishing here, so I'm so ready. Oh, what happened to him?
I don't know. That wasn't me though.
Yeah, you missed him up, dude. a fluorocarbon leader this time. Oh, there we go. Oh, he bit it, but he let it go. Well, at least we know they're biting this. So, oof, dirty bait, dirty bait. Sucia. What's that? Freaking snake. It's right next to me, man. There he goes. I don't know where he's going. Here we go. Let's see how this works. Man, he ran from me right away. Oh, he bit at it, but he missed it. There's Googan baits. Smell good. Smell like candy. This guy's been kicking our butt today.
You're slacking, Henry?
I am slacking. Alright, try this other spot down here. Because before we take off from here, try to catch one here at least. Let's try here. See if we can get anything good here. Few over there. It's been pretty dead right now though.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Texas Bass Junkie?
Texas Bass Junkie?
Mm-hmm. Just started it, so. Thanks, man. I ran out of wacky rig hooks, so I'm using a regular hook like this. And it usually works really good for me. May look a little funky, but dude, it works really great. Like when I hook up on the fish, freaking great. And I got that guy off camera. I had my camera off because nothing's been biting for a while, so I'm giving it another shot. You know what, guys, I've caught many bass here in the past, but when it rains, a whole bunch of water just streams down here like wild. Like the water will be up here, and I guess it pushes them down towards the river. So I mean, these are all new fish here, because I know there's a big old stock pond that way, and it overflows and it comes down this way, and that's how these fish end up in here. And they end up trapped until it overflows again. Oh, did you look at that? Fishing's beautiful, isn't it? Stuck my hand in my bag and forgot I threw a freaking weight bait in there, and it got me right on my finger. It already stopped bleeding, but man, it sucked. Hurts like hell. It's gonna hurt more when I put hand sanitizer on it. Is it?
Maybe, yeah. More than likely.
Why?